This guide covers some of the best beginner-friendly drones under $200. Models that are easy to fly, durable, and packed with helpful features like altitude hold, beginner modes, and sometimes a built-in camera. Whether you want to learn flying basics, capture aerial shots, or just have fun, these budget drones are great places to start. Starting at number 1. DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo is a lightweight, beginner-friendly mini drone weighing about 135 grams, light enough to avoid registration in many regions. It's designed for easy flying and creative footage, with features like palm takeoff and landing, AI subject tracking that follows you automatically, and quick shots for cinematic video clips. You can fly it without a traditional controller using your smartphone or voice control, though optional controllers and accessories are supported for more precise flying. Built-in propeller guards help protect it while you learn, and the 4K ultra-stabilized video makes it great for capturing smooth aerial shots on the go. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone designed to deliver professional-quality aerial footage without the complexity. Weighing under 249 g, it often doesn't require registration for recreational flying, making it perfect for new pilots. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and 12MP photo capabilities, the Mini 4K features a 3-axis gimbal for smooth cinematic video even in level 5 wind conditions. Its 31-minute flight time and 10km HD video transmission allow for extended exploration and stable, long-distance control. The drone includes intelligent features like quick shots, rocket, circle, helix, and more, automatic return to home, and GPS-assisted hovering, making it easy for beginners to capture stunning footage. With one-tap takeoff and landing, in-app tutorials, and intuitive controls, the DJI Mini 4K is an excellent choice for adults looking to start their drone journey with high-quality aerial photography and video. Number 3. Ryze Tech Tello. The Ryze Tech Tello is a compact and beginner-friendly mini drone powered by DJI flight technology, designed especially for kids and first-time pilots. It features a 5MP camera with 720p HD video streaming back to your smartphone, letting you capture photos and videos while you fly. The Tello offers up to 13 minutes of flight time per battery and a lightweight, durable design that makes it easy to control both indoors and outdoors. With features like auto takeoff, landing, EZ shots for pre-scripted flight patterns, and fun aerial tricks, it's simple for beginners to start flying right away. It also supports Scratch programming, an MIT visual coding system that lets kids learn basic coding by creating custom flight behaviors, blending learning with play. Number 4. Holystone HS440. The Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone is a beginner-friendly quadcopter ideal for adults and kids who want an easy introduction to flying and aerial photography. It features a 1080p Wi-Fi camera with adjustable angle and a 112-degree or wide-angle lens for capturing decent HD photos and videos from above, plus FPV, first-person view, flying straight to your smartphone. The drone offers up to 20 minutes of flight time per battery, a foldable design with carrying case for portability, and useful beginner features like auto hover altitude hold, one-key takeoff landing, and headless mode to make control simple and intuitive. Some models also include voice and gesture control and a modular battery setup for extended flying sessions, all in a compact package that's easy to carry and fun to fly. Number 5. Contixo F25 GPS Drone. The Contixo F25 GPS Drone is a versatile, beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for adults and hobbyists who want easy flying and solid aerial footage without complicated gear. It comes with a 1080p Full HD camera and a built-in 4.3 FPV screen on the remote so you can see live video without needing a smartphone. The F25 uses GPS-assisted flight features like Follow Me, Orbit, Selfie, and Waypoint navigation to help you capture cinematic shots with just a few taps, plus GPS auto return to home for safer flying. Weighing about 167 grams, it's lightweight enough to often avoid registration requirements in many countries, and its foldable design with a travel case and landing pad makes it easy to take on the go. Beginners will also appreciate one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold for stable, simple control, while brushless motors provide quieter and smoother flights with around 15 to 16 minutes of flight time per battery and a reliable range of around 600 feet.